I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're just playing makeup. Don't really have a purpose. I will be trying some new products, but for the most part, I'm just doing a full face. I told you guys in that last video, like once you don't do makeup for a little minute, you get back to it and you're like, Okay, so just gonna do a full face to see what are my current favorites, what am I liking, what am I going to be doing. So let's go. All right, I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup Cloud Glow primer. Definitely an interesting product. I think I told you guys that it smells like popcorn. Not too much, because then it's gonna run in your eye. And then the other primer I'm going to use is the One Size Secure the Blur primer. I'm gonna spray my face down with the LYS Natural Finish Skin Loyalty Blur Mattifying Set Makeup Setting Spray. Ooh. Can also pat that in. For foundation, Tower 28 sent me this SunnyDays Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen. Y'all remember what I said about that Fenty tinted sunscreen? How it was tinted sunscreen, so probably not the product for you to use to do like a full face. I'm wondering, is this that? Because I intend on doing a full face, but we're already here, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. This is in the shade 63rd Street. Okay, different name. This might be a little, let me see. All right, well, you're not coming out. This might be more like skin tint. And it's not giving moisturizer. It's a little thicker than that. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. Why is my camera being annoying? Okay, concealer is also from Tower 28. What do you call it? This is their Serum concealer. So I have two shades, SB, right? SB and SD. I'm gonna use both because I use a lighter concealer and a darker concealer anyway. So I'm just gonna use both of them today and see how I like it. So this is the lighter one that I'm using right now. I don't know what the undertone is. They look either cool or neutral for that one. That one, okay, well, we're gonna blend it out and see how it goes. And then that one, the darker one, I just usually put at the bottom or around so that it blends in with the foundation a little more. I'm gonna use the other end of this IT Cosmetics brush, but it's a little fluffy. I'm not sure if I like that. Yeah. I feel myself switching to a sponge very quickly. I do blend out concealer with a brush, but I like a denser brush. It's like if you're gonna spot conceal, just like dab the same place over and over again. It does help you with, you know, keeping the concealer in the same place though. Wait a minute, excuse, y'all, y'all, look at my face. I don't know if it's all the serum, skincare, sunscreen that I got going on right now. Face to chest. Let me find out, Tower 28. I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer. Oh, this is from Urban Decay's their all-nighter pressed powder. I think it's a universal shade. And go ahead and give that a nice pat. And then to bake, I'm gonna use this Chanel powder, which I forgot about. But I know I really like this powder when I was using it heavy, so. Charlotte's bronzer. Remember those buxom plumping blushes? I was like, wait a minute, let me find out what y'all talking about, because what you mean plumping? Is it going plump? I can open it. My cheeks. So that's what it looks like. Huh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. That, oh, hold on. All right, y'all, that is it for my face. I'm excited. In my move, I found a couple pairs of my Remy lashes. They are literally the best lashes, hands down. They are the Ardell Remy Lashes 778. They bring you, they do what they need to do. And y'all know lips are the same thing that they always are. Fenty gloss bombs, and then I use the Buxom plumping gloss on top, and that is it for my face. Now y'all know I don't usually like serum foundation, serum concealers, so using them together is definitely very different for me. But again, skin, I know I posted that video of like minimal makeup, easy makeup with the CC cream, but if you want really like seamless, easy, just throw it on and go type thing, depending on how you wear makeup this summer, if you are going to wear it, you might want to get these two products together, because absolutely positively I'm here. And it's giving skin, well, as much skincare that's in these two products. That makes sense. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on how I feel about these two products and obviously how they wear throughout the day. Again, I am already getting hot. I'm trying to wake up earlier, get everything that I need out of the way, and then start filming earlier so that I can beat like when the heat actually kicks in. But clearly I wasn't fast enough today. Those are my thoughts on the newish, the Buxom blush. It shows up on the skin, it looks nice on the skin, blends in really well, but I didn't feel like any plumping, or I don't know if you're supposed to feel the plumping or it's just supposed to look. Do my cheeks look fuller, plumper? Y'all let me know. But yeah, those are the new products that I tried today and everything else. It was just me getting back into wearing makeup. So let me know down below if you tried any of the new stuff that I've tried. And again, let me know if there's anything else new out there that I need to be trying out. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.